Kuwait today, guys. Today is March 24th and it's dusty and windy and it's very good for my allergic rhinitis. Oh my gulay. Huwag na kayong lumabas. Masyadong maangin at maalikabok. Dust, wind, and traffic. Very nice combination. Being skill today is being tested with this. My goodness, I don't know what kind of traffic. It is too much, guys. We are here in Vapiano for lunch. My music po. Ayan po. We love the pasta here and the pizza. Then it would be my first time to try lasagna. And this is my little boy, tired already. Are you tired? Okay, this is what I've got. These are cutlery set from Home Center. From 24 KD to... Okay, I've been eyeing for this when I bought the plates. But because I bought the plates, I did not buy this para hindi naman masyadong malaking gastos. Wala akong pambili ng time na yun.
If you haven't seen my TikTok, I'm just a normal hamster. Just check it out.
What? And this is for the plants, of course.
Nice.
Tapos, organizer from Ikea. Another one from home. Now it's mixed, guys. This is from Home Center as well.
And guys,
shoe
bought some
boxes. And I have here from Ikea na. No, from Home Center pa rin.
Why do I have to
Water bottle. Because it's buy one, get one. Water bottle. And these are from Ikea. I have this organizer. And this from Ikea too. And this one for Ikea also. Para itago na ang mga winter clothes. Now I've got something from MAC. This is what I've got from MAC. These two lipsticks po ay from MAC at libre po sila. If you've got 6 empties, you will get a free lipstick. Since I've got 12 empties from MAC, I've got 2 free lipstick. You wanna see the color? Oh, this one is more peachy. Okay, and this one is more of pink reddish something. Okay, then I've got myself also this powder. This is the finish. What is it? Skin finish natural powder. This one, and it's 11 KD. I want to show you, and I'm on the medium. I'm on a medium. This one. Okay, and this is the color. It looks fair, right? But this is my color. That's all for today. Wala pa pala. I still have 2 more things from Crocs.
Hi guys. When we went to Avenues, we bought some Crocs over there. Mine is the green one and my dad has black. And we got this shirt from... We got this from River Island. Sorry about that. Moving on with the shirt and the work. We have the pizza. To review it, there's the pizza's dead. Yep, it's totally dead. Oh, it fainted for sure. We got the pasta, mate. And we got my mom's lasagna. And there's a salad over there and some Coke.
Hipon. Say hi po.
That's it for today. Bye, guys!
So we are buying food for today. Andito kami sa Hipon. Sige, follow Teacher Desiree Vlogs.
Ano?
Teacher Desiree.
Desiree Vlogs.
So we just came here for his Takis in Sultan Center, Boulevard. So we will not buy. No, I will buy coffee.
First, I'm still gonna maybe
You're gonna eat your ano na,
Takis.
ice cream. Would you like? Oh, press na. The elevator, huy. This is our lunch and breakfast because it's lunchtime already. It's 12:30. So not anymore brunch, but lunch. Ubus na yung dynamite shrimp. Ingay naman itong pinapanood. We've got coffee and matcha green tea from Starbucks. Hello everyone! Now we're going to do our...
other stuff from the first part over there.
Okay, you start?
Yes.
Go.
I picked this thingy. I don't know even what it's called. I'm gonna see a rip. And it was the last one in the store.
Really?
Yeah, nothing else. No stock of it.
Okay. Then?
Taki 7 because I ate one already. Candy. And that's what I... Come on! It really has to drop on me. And guys, what we're having for lunch, we will show you when we have lunch. Mommy? You're done. Done.
Ah, ayun. Finish na yun?
Yeah, you just recorded the first one, remember?
No.
Oh my gosh, that was a bloopers. Ah, man.
Hi guys, now it's my turn since my little boy is done with his haul. So this is what we've got from Sultan Center. First, we've got Cadbury Wispa. It's a biscuit with chocolate filling and chocolate coating. Then I've got cranberry cookies. Then meron akong biscuit ulit, French na biscuit. Hindi ko alam kung paano basahin ito. Then I've got another biscuit coated, milk chocolate coated na crepe. Then I bought this hand cream, hand lotion Olay. Tapos meron din kaming dalawang air wick na air freshener para sa car. Then I've got Snyder Pretzel. Dalawa yan. Isang makapal na sticks, tsaka isang maliliit na stick. Okay? Then I've got Pop-Tarts. Tapos itong sugar na pampa-slim. Hindi. Para lang sa hindi ma-diabetes. Okay, then I've got here oat crackers. Kutkutin ulit. Hilig sa kutkutin, no? I've got Snickers for daddy. Then, meron ako ulit na tea. Digest naman ito. Tingnan natin kung madadigest ang aking taba. another tea, sleep. Bumili ako nito last month. Hindi ko alam, baka ubos na kasi every night na umiinom si Joel nito, kaya bumili ako ulit. Then I've got napkin always, at saka pang malakas ang napkin ulit, Kotex. Tapos we've got here the tissue, and we've got here kettle cooked crackers, and the rest are from Liam. Thanks, please. Now this time we've got from Ambassador. Bring me the plastic, the whole plastic.
Bang nuggets.
I've got seafood, seafood crackers. Then Century Bangus nuggets. Pang breakfast po namin.
Bangus?
Yeah.
Bangus, that fish.
Then
that
we've
is
got
so
fish fingers from Century
Yummy.
as well. Fish.
Ooh, guys,
You're
that's
blocking.
yummy. Yeah.
Fish fingers.
Sponsor Ambassador too.
Then we've got fish tapa. Milk fish tapa.
And guys, if you know where to get all these small takis, just go to Boulevard, then go to TSC Sultan Center.
Then we've got bangus, boneless.
Yan, my favorite.
Then, wala na po.
Wala na.
Yun lang. Then, we also went to, give me that please,
This
Brand Bazaar. Doon sa Boulevard po.
Bing! That's where we got our TSC.
Yeah. And, yung Brand Bazaar nga pala, nandun yung mga old stocks ng Tommy Hilfiger,
Yeah.
Calvin Klein, LCYK, Waikiki,
Waikiki?
Juicy Couture.
Wait! Kiki Tiki.
Okay?
Okay.
So, I've got one, what do you call this? Boxer shorts for daddy. Then I've got a shirt for Liam. This is, it's Nautica shirt for Liam. Black. Then I've got Levi's.
That's all for today, guys. Masalama!